Hello, hello. I'm sitting here in a field in the center of the Apennines, and you can see how many different plants there are. So you see here, this is Convolvulus arvensis or Convolvulus cantabricum, not so sure. This nice blue one is Nigella. Then we have here some kind of potentilla, really beautiful. These gray leaf plants are, I think it's called scabrium or something like that. We have here Hypericum, very beautiful. And so is here the full spectrum. There is some, you see this violet one, this is a kind of, I don't know how you call it, it's a cardium. And of course you have also some white flowers, so some convolvulus with white flowers. Some white here. Don't know exactly what it is. And so you can walk through here this field with the typical flora of the center of the Apennines. This here is a brown orchid which has a flowering time in May, which is now over. It's even brown and dry. We have here some eryngium, natural form, and here this kind of, these are the fruit in the end. This is the seed of the plants which are flying like dandelion. Yeah. Now we can see here some poppies were here somewhere. And here, this is also very beautiful. This is this kind of sweet pea flowers. You see, this is a kind of a climbing plant which is throughout here. Yeah, let's see if we can find something more. Just walking here for the first time, so I don't know if we will encounter something more special. But this is already a very special place. There is a blue flower, don't know if you can see it, blue violet, very tiny. This must be of the Echium family. beautiful. Hypericum perforatum, St. John's herb. In the underwoods, see here, this is thyme. Really good smelling herb. Look what we found here. This is a species of Helichrysum, which is also called the curry herb because the leaves are scented like curry. Naturally here growing. So curry, thyme. We have some kind of, this is some kind of trifolium. Have to check more thyme. Thyme is very common here. This one also very nice. It's Cabiosa. Look how beautiful the single flower is. Okay, there is one poppy. You know, poppy is growing normally in the middle of some grains. So it's following the cultivation where men are planting grain. So in this field here, no grain was planted for a long time, so even no poppy is here. Just one flower. Okay, we see also here some, must be Asteriscus. These yellow flowers. I know Asteriscus maritimus, but as we are in the mountains, this cannot be Asteriscus maritimus, but it must be one kind of Asteriscus. Let's continue. Here there is thyme. Again, these very nice flowers of this, whatever it is, like sweet pea. Beautiful flowers. Come to see nature and you will enjoy. And as you walk through here, you have the scent of thyme and curry and everything. Look at this brown thing. This is also a flower of an orchid, a wild orchid, which is now over. Yeah. And how nice these potentillas are. Tiny flowers, but beautiful. These are of the rose family, so we can see the 5 petals, like a 5-petal rose, but very tiny and small. What else can we say? Mountain vegetation, natural vegetation is beautiful. And here you can see Monte Velino. Here I show you another plant, which is Sedum sexatile. You see this Sedum is kind of a succulent plant, so does not need a lot of water. And also here we have a kind of, I don't know what it is, they call it Tresemmero. It is a kind of the Lamium family, so I will have to look it up. Also, here I see some Campanula. Look! Oh, so this something I never saw here. So I have to find out what variety this is. What species, not variety. Because as I tell you, this is all natural vegetation. Okay.